everyone, I'm Gabby and welcome back to Handmade.
And I'm Danielle. In fact, today it is a very handmade holiday.
We are sharing very merry DIY projects with you all season long.
And today we have 3 salt dough projects for you.
But spoiler alert, they're not made from salt.
So stick around to see how we do it. To make the dough, start with 3/4 cup water.
Add 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of baking soda.
And stir over medium heat until you reach a mashed potato-like consistency. So that looks about done.
Looks like some really good creamy mashed potatoes.
Now we're gonna take it off the heat and let it cool in a bowl.
Cover with a damp cloth until it cools.
Once it's cool, transfer to a cutting board. Knead until smooth.
Then roll it out until it's about 1/4 inch thick.
For our first project, napkin ring holders. Just start with a round cookie cutter. Using a skewer, poke holes in both sides of the circle.
Use rubber stamps to write out festive words.
Let air dry for 24 to 48 hours. Once it's dry, use a paint pen to outline the words. Twine turns these into napkin rings.
Adjust the size based on normal napkins.
Next up, we're making ornaments. Cookie cutters work perfectly for this. We are using a Christmas tree and a star. Just use a skewer as we did before and punch a hole in the top.
Once it's dry, add your designs. You can hang these with ornament hooks or twine.
For our final project, we are making gift tags. You can use a knife to cut out a simple gift tag shape. Skewer a hole in the top.
Once again, use rubber stamps to add names. Use a paint pen to outline the name.
Well, that was one super simple recipe.
And 3 beautiful ways to use it. Danielle, what do you think was your favorite?
It's a tough call, but I really love these napkin ring holders. They're so cute.
They are really cute. Now we want to know, what is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.
Give us a like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Happy holidays!